This is my 1983 to 1984 Lasko Box Fan. These are kind of rare with the Lasko logo. This one's not in the best of condition, but it is clean. I cleaned it up real well when I got it. It has a real nice motor hum to it, like like most of these plastic Marco motors do. So, we get to hear that in a little while. These are probably some of my favorite fans because they remind me of the Sears box fan that was in my family a long time ago that was the same style as this, except it had the penthouse controls. And I actually have one of those. I just recently made a video of it. But yeah, this one, some of you may remember, I made a video of it a couple years ago when I got it, and the motor had actually broken. The part that held the bearings in place broke, probably because of rough shipping, and I had to repair it. I used Gorilla adhesive on it, and the repair is still holding. I oiled it a lot. This thing runs absolutely great. So the motor is rated at 2.2 amps. This is a 3-speed model, as you can see. I'll turn it around and you can see the back. Here's the back of the fan. The rear grille is in slightly better condition. There's the plastic Marco motor. You can get some light here. Now this one, the back half is black and the front half, I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's a normal color that these usually are. So. This one has a very pronounced motor hum because I'm pretty sure it has a lot of hours on it. We will be viewing the amp draw as well while it's running. Let me go ahead and turn it a little bit more so it's not blowing at me. And we'll start it up on high. Love that sound. You can really hear that hum on the ones with the single piece motor mount. It just resonates through the entire frame. I'll show the amps when it's speeding up to high, and then I'll do some startup sounds up close to the motor. Alright, here we are coming up to high. And now as soon as it stops, I will do some startup sounds. Alright, here's high. medium. I think the hum is most pronounced on medium speed and low. This fan is quieter and moves more air than any modern box fan does. It's one of the reasons, just one of many reasons that I like these so much. They are very nice box fans. So, that will about do it for this video. Thanks for watching.